Hi guys, this is Arup Karmakar and you're watching Uidesign. Today I'll show you how you can make 5000 rupees in like 10 minutes through freelancing. ये कोई clickbait नहीं है, मैंने खुद किया है, that's why I'm telling you. So let's get started. Okay, before we start, I would like to tell you guys that the first step is to open your account on these freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, etc. through which you can set up your gig and accordingly you can get your orders from your client. This part of the video deals only with the productivity piece, that is how to convert the order from your client to the end product. So without wasting time, let's get started. Hello Jignesh, हाँ भाई 5000 रुपये देना 10 मिनट में देता हूँ.
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ
ਹੁੰਦੀ. First I'll open my Chrome. I'll go to Fiverr account. So this is my profile, as you can see. I'll go to the earnings and I'll show you my earnings. That's the reason you will believe me, right? So this is my net income, $55.30. Now what will I do? I'll go to the client's requirement. He has provided me with the brand name. The brand name is Link. He has provided me the color. He requires purple gradient. He requires new modern logo. Suppose you don't know anything about the logo, how your logo should look, you can always do one thing. You can go on Google and just type the name that you want to find the logo of. So these are for your reference. Take some ideas from here if you like. Okay, my next step is to brainstorm some ideas. So I'll go to my diary, take my pen and paper and I'll brainstorm it. I'll write some random words. I'll write the brand's name, link. I'll write some word related to the brand name like connecting hands, chain. Okay, so I like these two words, chain and connecting hands. So what will I do? I'll go to Google and I can write chain link. Okay, I'm getting these kind of pictures. I want to do something with the picture like this, and I like the other word, connecting hands. So what will I do? I'll download these two files. Okay, I've downloaded these two files. Okay, now I'll just try to brainstorm the ideas related to it and see where I. Okay, I've come to this idea. This is my main link logo. I'll import this to Figma. I'll try to import any of these files, like I'll import this one and I'll try to trace it. Simply take the shape tool like ellipse, make a circle around it, remove the fill part, make the stroke to 5 or make it 6. First reduce the opacity of the picture behind to 80%. Okay, now it looks fine. I'll delete this one. Try to trace this thing with my pen tool. Okay. Okay, it looks fine. Now what will I do? I'll just fill it with the color that he told me. The color was kind of purplish. Okay, it looks fine. I'll remove the stroke, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, I'll copy it, rotate it by 180 degree and voila, it looks nice. My next step is to take one frame. It will be super easy. I'll take iPhone 11 Pro. I'll just put some Unsplash picture on it. Open the Unsplash, write friends on phone. Okay, I like this picture. Open this and you can do one thing. You can crop it and put it in center. It looks nice. Now I'll copy this and put it here. I'll reduce its size. I'll group it together first and I'll make it in center. I'll reduce its size even more. I'll write the brand's name, link. I'll choose some kind of font that I like. I'll copy this and I'll paste this. I'll increase its size around 72. Okay, so this has been done. So I will give this final product after some retouching to my client. I'll show you how my final product looked when I gave it to my client. It looked something like this. It looked like this. I provided him like what is the thought process that I went through. Like this is the thought process, this is the evolution of the logo. I provided him with different variations of dark mode, light mode, and how it will look on different devices like Apple Watch or some phone screen. It's simple, and he gave me 5-star for this. Yeah, so he rated me quite well. So I thought to tell you guys about my project. Thank you for watching my video, guys. It means a lot to me. If you want to know more stuff like this, like how to set up your account, how to attract more clients, or how to deliver the end product, please stay in touch. Till then, like, comment, share and subscribe. And I'll show you one thing.